Welcome to Bodicares Wellness, your go-to source for health tips and wellness inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring creative ways to easily incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your health, or simply make your meals more exciting, we've got some fun and simple ideas for you. Let's dive in and discover how you can transform your meals into colorful, nutrient-packed dishes. In a world where fast food and convenience often overshadow healthy eating, the challenge of incorporating more fruits and vegetables into our diets can seem daunting. However, with a little creativity and some sneaky strategies, it's possible to up your intake of these vital food groups without feeling like you're forcing yourself to eat kale salads every day. Here are some clever and enjoyable ways to sneak more fruits and vegetables into your meals. Start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. One of the easiest ways to add fruits to your morning routine is by blending them into smoothies. Toss in a handful of spinach or kale along with your favorite fruits like bananas, berries, or mangoes. The vibrant colors and sweetness of the fruit will mask the taste of the greens, making it an undetectable health boost. You can also add a scoop of nut butter or yogurt for creaminess and protein, ensuring that your smoothie is not only delicious but also filling. If smoothies aren't your thing, consider incorporating fruits into your oatmeal or yogurt. Sliced bananas, berries, or diced apples can add natural sweetness and texture to your breakfast bowl. For a twist, try baking fruits like apples or pears with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, comforting start to your day. You can even sneak in some grated zucchini or carrots into your muffins or pancakes. They add moisture and nutrients without altering the flavor significantly. As you move into lunch, think about how you can transform your usual meals into veggie-packed powerhouses. Wraps and sandwiches are perfect vehicles for sneaking in more vegetables. Load up your turkey or hummus wrap with spinach, bell peppers, cucumbers, and shredded carrots. The crunch and freshness will elevate the flavor and texture of your meal. Alternatively, opt for a salad disguised as a sandwich by using large lettuce leaves as your wrap. Fill them with lean proteins, beans, and a variety of colorful veggies for a satisfying meal that feels indulgent yet nutritious. Soups are another excellent way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. Pureeing vegetables like cauliflower, carrots, or butternut squash into a creamy soup can create a rich and flavorful dish that doesn't even taste like it's packed with nutrients. You can also add chopped vegetables to your favorite broth-based soups, allowing them to simmer and soften, blending seamlessly with the other flavors. A hearty minestrone or vegetable chili can be a comforting and filling option, brimming with beans, tomatoes, and seasonal vegetables. Snacking is often a pitfall when it comes to healthy eating, but it can also be an opportunity to sneak in more fruits and veggies. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, prepare a colorful platter of cut-up vegetables with a tasty dip like hummus or guacamole. The crunch of carrots, celery, and bell peppers can be incredibly satisfying and provide a guilt-free way to munch between meals. For a sweet treat, try freezing grapes or blending frozen bananas into a soft-serve consistency. These options are not only refreshing, but also serve as a healthy alternative to traditional snacks. Dinner presents another opportunity to be sneaky with your produce intake. When making pasta, consider swapping out regular noodles for zucchini noodles or spaghetti squash. These alternatives are low in carbohydrates and calories, allowing you to enjoy a larger serving of vegetables without sacrificing satisfaction. You can also add finely chopped vegetables to your sauces, whether it's a marinara or a creamy Alfredo. The flavors will meld together, and your family may never even notice the extra veggies hidden within. If you're grilling or roasting meats, don't forget to add a medley of vegetables to the mix. Toss some asparagus, bell peppers, or zucchini onto the grill alongside your chicken or fish. The smoky flavors and caramelization that occur during cooking will enhance the taste of the vegetables, making them a delicious side dish that complements your main course. You can also prepare vegetable skewers, alternating colorful veggies with chunks of meat or tofu for a fun and visually appealing dinner option. For those who enjoy baking, consider adding fruits and vegetables to your favorite recipes. Carrot cake, zucchini bread, and banana muffins are classic examples of how you can incorporate produce into sweet treats. Not only do they add moisture and flavor, but they also provide a nutritional boost. Experiment with adding pureed pumpkin or applesauce to your baked goods to reduce added sugars and fats while enhancing the overall healthiness of your desserts. Another clever tactic is to involve your family in the process of eating more fruits and vegetables. Encourage kids to help with meal prep by letting them pick out their favorite fruits and veggies at the grocery store. When they are involved in selecting and preparing their meals, they are more likely to try new foods. Create a fun challenge where everyone has to include at least one fruit or vegetable in their meals each day. This not only makes eating healthy a family affair, but also fosters a positive attitude towards nutritious foods. Finally, don't underestimate the power of presentation. The way food is presented can significantly affect our desire to eat it. Try arranging fruits and vegetables in fun shapes, like making a rainbow fruit salad or creating a vegetable bouquet. Use vibrant colors to create visually appealing dishes that catch the eye. When food looks good, it's more enticing, and you may find yourself reaching for that colorful salad or fruit platter without a second thought. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. With these sneaky strategies, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals while boosting your nutritional intake. By being creative and mindful about how you prepare and present your food, you can transform your eating habits without feeling deprived. Embrace the challenge, experiment with new recipes, and discover the joy of adding more vibrant produce to your plate. Your body will thank you for it, and you might just find that you love those sneaky servings of fruits and veggies more than you ever expected. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.